Hello, human. Grab a cartridge from the tray and let's get to work.
For commute, workers would commonly utilize dangerous four-wheel structures known as automobiles to travel to and from work.
There's never a dull day in the old cubicle farm. Hello, human. Welcome to an accurate simulation of office worker. Take a look at this board for instructions.
Hey, what the? Hey, that
Howdy,
almost
neighbor.
hurt.
Hey,
Come
what the?
on. Hey, that almost hurt. Hey, what the? Hey, what the?
Duh, my glasses. Workers would traditionally
Hey,
start their
that
day with an
almost
addictive
hurt.
liquid stimulant.
Come on.
Now you're ready to start your day. It's time for computer. The computer is the most important facet of the office, with humans and safety being a close second and third.
Hello, can you get me line 0, please? 0, I need line 0. I need to talk to Thank you very much.
Email was an inefficient form of communication popularized in the mid-1990s. Ah, the freedom of Inbox Zero. Here comes Supervisor Bot. Better look busy.
Okay, everybody, let's make some business. Johnson, I'm counting on you to paradigm shift those
optimizations.
You can count on me. That's what I like to hear. Hey, human, you've been doing a good job. I've been thinking about giving you a
Promotion.
In fact, if nothing goes wrong in the next 10 seconds, the job's yours. You see, that's why I like you. Always working hard to climb that ladder. Take this. The new position's yours.
Ah, that almost hurt. Good job, human. You're climbing the ranks. And here comes Bossbot. Looks like he's got more work for you.
Come on.
Hello, human. I am Bossbot. I notice you've logged in, so I'm here to give you your first task of the day. We need to bring some new bots on board, so look through your resumes and find 2 bots to hire.
You heard them. Make sure you pick the best bots for the job. Jobbing within a job. Who'd have thought it? Hey, that was a pretty nice throw.
Have you seen the latest sales report? This isn't good. Load up the old spreadsheet program and fix these numbers. Wow, you cook those books like a professional.
Gourmet chef.
Hey, that almost hurt.
It's time for lunch. At midday, humans would interact with primitive robots known as
vending machines.
to obtain food. Looks
Delicious.
Enjoy your meal, human. Hey, coworker, can you get me a...
Candy bar.
Looks like it's stuck. Sadly, this was common with early generations of robots. Thanks, coworker. Hey, coworker, over here. Get on your computer and check out these hilarious pictures.
Hello, human. I'm looking forward to your presentation today on all of the
Business.
that we did in the last week.
So Bossbot wants you to do a presentation. You'll need to make some slides. Time to learn about an ancient human technique called...
Winging it.
Try using this program in your computer.
So, you ready to go through this presentation? Here's the clicker. Use the button to go through your slides.
Fascinating figures. Fascinating figures. Interesting.
Nice job, human.
Hey,
that was
a pretty
very
nice throw.
business.
Hey, human. Bot number
10110.
is retiring tomorrow. We wanted to give them a parting gift. Everyone's pitching in. Why don't you give me something you'd like to contribute? Oh, how thoughtful. I'm sure they will.
Appreciate.
It. Anyway, do you think you could type up a quick card to go with this? It would make it a lot more...
Hey,
Personal.
what the?
That looks good. Hand it to me. I'll handle the rest. Thanks for helping out.
Things aren't going too well. We need to find a couple bots we can let go. Take a look at these employee evaluations.
First my stapler jams, and now this?
Oh, I was saving up to buy a new hard drive.
In the office, co-workers would converse around the liquid dispenser.
Man, did you hear that?
Bot 2272.
Got fired? Man, that's
Notable
Hey, Bill, did you see the
sports event.
on TV last night? It was pretty.
Touchdown.
Check out these photos of my many children. Do you bear children, human?
Aw, now isn't that sweet?
Yeah, hey, look, I've got some papers I need you to shred. It has to be you for legal reasons. I don't really want to get into it. Here, just look in the case. Shred everything. Just get rid of it. See, here's the other thing. I just found out that for insurance reasons, you can't actually have this much stuff in your cubicle. So, you're going to need to get rid of some of that too. Alright, that'll do. Turn off the shredder when you're done. Ooh, that was a close one. Alright, carry on. Nothing to see here.
Right there! Hold it! Don't let that bot get away! Hello, human. I am CEO Bot. Here's the thing. Boss Bot needs to go away for a while, and you've been doing a really good job. So I'd like to offer you a promotion.
Happy
Promotion.
to
Human.
happy
Promotion.
to
Human.
Now make a wish and blow out the candle. Why is it not 5 o'clock yet?
Sorry, human. Looks like there's not enough cake for you.
Here you go, Human.
That's coming out of your next
Presents.
paycheck. Now that you're the boss of this department, I'll leave it to you to do the honors.
Yay!
Woohoo! It's time to go home! Good job, everyone! Let's get out of here before Boss tries to stop us!
Woo! Yeah!
Woohoo!
Hooray! It's 5 o'clock. Work is over.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask you to come in on
Saturday. Well, there you have it, human. I hope this has given you a better idea of what it was
Howdy,
once like
neighbor.
to office worker. Well, you know how to get back to the music. Hello, human. Grab a cartridge from the tray and let's get to work. The kitchen. Do I see an aspiring chef? Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of gourmet chef. We'll start by making some breakfast. Turn on the grill and let's get frying. Even though humans spend the entire night in a state of low power consumption, they still require food energy as soon as they wake up. Bacon and eggs provide a high energy taste ratio. Now put your creations on the plate and you can ring the bell to send it out to the restaurant. The smoothie is one of the most efficient forms of human food. Simply take some of your inefficient solid food and put it through the blender. Looks good. Pour it out into a cup and then we can serve it.
Hello, human. Might I trouble you for some tea and crumpets?
Tea is a traditional human beverage consisting of heated water and flavor. Let's begin with heating some water using a kettle. Like most beverages, tea is best optimized for consumption by being placed in a cup. Hello, human. Grab a cartridge from the tray and let's get to work. Are you a fan of slushies and hot dogs? You'll love the convenience store. Hello, human. Welcome to an accurate simulation of...
Convenience store clerk.
Take a look at this board for instructions and grab a ticket when you're ready to get started. Let's open up this shop. You can start by cleaning off your counter. You also want to turn on the security camera so you can keep an eye on the store. Alrighty, let's get to business. Here's your first customer.
Good afternoon, human. I would like to purchase these.
Chips.
Could I also get one of those meat cylinders, please?
Hot dogs are in the freezer. Make sure you heat them up, at least a little bit.
That looks...
Acceptable.
Hurry up and scan that so I can get eating already. You can just hand that hot dog to me, human. Thanks a bunch.
To finalize a sale, pull the lever on the register.
All right, here's your paper currency.
Don't forget to hand over the change.
Many thanks. Have a
Profitable.
day.
It was important for stores like this to maintain a constant stream of customers, so that cashiers wouldn't have time to contemplate their rapidly approaching obsolescence.
Well, hello! Would you kindly put those in? Ah, yes, much better. I'll take one of those frozen slushy delights. Would you kindly jumbo-size that? Oh, I love the taste of sugar. Oh, you're very good at scanning. Now, would you pass that to me? And here's some banknotes for you. Keep the change, good human. Cha-cha!
I'll take a paper copy of yesterday's news. And I'll take my daily lottery ticket as well. Oh dear, I'm feeling a little faint today, dearie. Do you think you could scratch that lottery ticket for me? You could... Oh, I guess I won't be getting those upgrades today.
Frick!
Let me just write you a check for those. There we are. Oh, what a kind young human you are. Have a lovely day.
So I'm like, yeah, bro, it's a buyer's market. They're looking at me like I'm crazy, you know? And what are you talking? No, I'm talking to you. No, you. Yeah, you. You got the hot dog already? Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, I hear you, bro. Yeah. No, I'm talking to you. No, yeah. Yeah. Hot dog? No, I was talking not you. I want some gum. No, not you, the human. I want to buy some gum already. Jeez, what is this, your first job? Yeah. Oh, yeah, uh-huh. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Oh, I hear you, bro. Yeah. Yeah. No. Wow. Took you long enough. No, not you. The other. Forget it. Some people just don't know how to listen. Am I right? Yeah. No. You. No. I'm talking to you, bro.
No matter how irritating the customer, humans were required to smile and be polite.
Oh, my little angel. Put that nice, healthy banana up there for the human. Now you stay here for a minute, dearie. Mommy needs to use the little boss room.
Sugar! 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 Give me sugar! Yummy! More! More! Yummy! More!
All right, you dearie, why don't you hand the human the money?
Whoa! Money? Okay, here.
What did you do to my darling? Come back here.
You did the right thing there, human. Just do whatever the customer or their children want, and make sure you always grab that money.
Yo, this place is looking sick, but you know what it needs? More maximum energy branding. Why don't you bring up that display and we can pump it up a bit? Yeah, that's the one. Let's max this thing out. I gotta run to the bathroom, so I'm counting on you to really push the envelope on this thing. If you're all done, just hit that button and let's lock this thing in. Psst. Hey, human! Over here! I need something for, cleaning. Gotta clean up here. Pass me something! Anything! I guess I can make this work. Yeah, I'll be out in a second. Alright, much better. Let's see this display, human. Alright, looking good. And now we're on brand, baby! Boom! Peace out, human. Oh, I just got back from jogging, and oh man, do you have something to replenish my electrolytes? Oh, this maximum energy stuff, looks new, right? It looks like you have to shake it. Could you shake it? All right, that looks good. Hurry up and scan it. I need a drink already. All right, here's your money. Take it. Oh, I feel energized. So energized.
Back before the universal credit system, some humans had more money than they knew what to do with and struggled to find ways to spend it.
Hello, human. Looks like I've got some money to blow. What's good here? Give me stuff. Whatever's good. Oh, yeah, oh no, that's cool. How about a couple more things? Perfect. Here's a bunch of money. Keep the change.
Nothing like a little retail therapy. Make sure you grab their money.
This is your weekly delivery, stuff from the shelves and stuff. Well, there you go. You know the drill. Gum on the gum rack, magazines on the magazine rack. Put stuff where it goes. Get it sorted. Oh wow, look at you go. Taking the box out. See you later.
Okay, good night.
Hey, I don't have any money. Is there anything in there I could have for free?
How about those popsicles in the freezer? If we don't sell those by tomorrow, we're gonna have to throw them out anyway.
Oh, I wasn't expecting to actually get something. If you're able to, could I get a bit of change too? Wow, thanks. You're a real good person. I'll be going now. Hello there, human. Look at this. I've got a coin here for you. What can I buy for this? Surely you could give me something.
Just give this bot something, preferably not something especially valuable.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Sometimes it was necessary to make special deals with customers like this to assure their repeated patronage. Wait, oh no, here comes trouble.
Yeah, see? Today's not your lucky day, pal. Open that safe and give me all your cheddar. I'm gonna buy a new pair of shoes. Later, chump! You'll never catch me!
Despite dealing almost exclusively in low-value products, convenience stores were often the targets of robbery.
I want to get some food?
I think this bot's had a little too much juice. Better throw something to get its attention.
Huh? Hey, I forgot what I wanted. Burrito. Oh, burrito's good. wait. I want like a big burrito.
Like real big.
That's what I'm talking about. Big burrito. Here's your money.
Don't forget to put cash in the register.
All right. Later.
Wow there. I haven't seen a mess this big since the human uprising of 2027. Hold on there, human. I have just the thing. Why don't you try it out? The keyhole is right there by the dial. See it? This microbot is designed to clean even the most disgusting human messes. Grab the controller and clean those stains around the store. That's good enough for now, I think. Just pull the key out to deactivate the robot, and we'll move on to our next customer.
Oh, hello. I'm an adult robot, and I'd like to purchase some fireworks, 'cause I'm an adult.
Something about this seems a little bit strange. You should probably check their ID.
Oh yeah, ID, no problem. I got that right here.
Check it out with your universal scanning device, human.
No, wait, that's the wrong one. Try this one.
Well, the technology is never wrong. That appears to be one legitimately adult robot. I guess you can give them their fireworks.
Come on, we're totally gonna get away with doing it. Shut up, Julie. Alright. Oh no, let's book it. I can't go back to jail.
That is strange, but the most important thing is that the product is safe. Let's move on.
Good evening, human. I understand you were held at Banana Point earlier this evening. We've captured the suspects. We just need you to point out who did it. Who took your cheddar? Let me make it simple for you. Here are the 3 suspects. Just hand me the one who did it. Make sure you're certain. Oh, Bandit Bot, when will you learn?
Nah, can't prove anything. I'll get you.
Hey, your ID.
Looks like you're getting the hang of this clerk job, kid. Well, you know how to get back to the museum if you want to. I'll just be hanging out here while you do whatever you want. Hello, human. Grab a cartridge from the tray, and let's get to work. A true grease monkey. Get under the hood and get your hands dirty in our simulated mechanics shop. Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of auto mechanic. Take a look at this board for instructions.
Good morning, human. I'll require a tune-up. Please take a look under the hood.
This spot just needs a little fluid. No problem. This vehicle's power source appears to be unacceptably inefficient. Well done. That's looking very car. Press the button to drop it back down when you're finished. In shops like these, everything had a price. Make sure you bill the customer for the use of your highly valuable time.
Oh, thank you, human. I'll get this taken care of right away.
Very good, human, but we're just getting started. The world of auto mechanic has so much more to offer.
No.
Human, I've got this coupon for a Sleazebot special, whatever that is. Says that there's a discount, so hurry up and take care of my car. Get a move on.
Human, over here. I'm Sleazebot, the owner of this fine establishment. Now this bot's got a coupon, so let's take real good care of them by sabotaging their car and making them come back later for more work. Okay, pistons in the engine? Don't need those.
Yeah, just recombobulate the thing there. How about my headlight fluid? How's that looking? Yeah, I know about cars.
Headlight fluid? You name it, we got it. Get this bot some headlight fluid, human.